Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study new topic of class 4 mathematics, that is expanded form. So let us start. Before starting this chapter, I am going to show you a video related to this topic. In this video you will know more about expanded forms. Let me remind you students, we have studied some basic features of expanded form in class 3rd. So in this video we will know more about of expanded form, like how can we expand a particular number, or how can we write in a number in expanded forms. So let me start this video.
Expanded form. We write the numbers in expanded form for better understanding. For example, 8654 we can write like this: 8000 plus 600 plus 5 tens plus 4 ones. It can be expressed as 8654. Now let us see some more examples. 5625. 5000 plus 600 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. In another number, 6050. 6000, 0 hundreds and 5 tens plus 0 ones. But the value of 0 do not change wherever place it is. For example, 4210. 0 is in units place. The value of 0 is 0. In the number 5205, 0 is in tens place. The value of 0 is 0. In another number 6015, 0 is in hundreds place, but the value of 0 is 0. Thus, we can say that the value of 0 do not change in wherever place it is.
How was the video students? Hope you all have understood. So what we have understood in this video, basically if we want to expand any numbers, so how can we expand? Basically for expanding any number we need to know about place value. So on the basis of place value we can expand any number. So let me show you an example, that is 4754. 4754. So if we talk about 4 is in which place? 4 is in thousand place. And 7 is in which place? 7 is in hundred place. And 5, if we talk about 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place and 4 is in one place. So basically we can expand in this way, and whether we have expanded a particular number is correct or not, so how can we know? We can know in this way. So we can calculate the number. How we will calculate the number? In this way we will calculate, so that we can know whether we have done our question correct or not. So 4000, because the 4 is in which place? Thousand place, that's why we have written 4000. And 7 is in which place? Is in hundred place, that's why we have written 700. And 5 is in which place? Tens place, that's why we have written 50. And 4 is in which place? Ones place, that's why we have written 4. So in this way we will expand, we can expand any number. So this is another example, 4054. So again 4 is in which place? 4 is in thousand place and 0. So here you should give your attention more, so that is 100. If we talk about 0 is in which place? 0 is in hundred place. And 5 is in tens place. And 4 is in which place? Ones place. So let us calculate. Because 4 is in thousand place, that's why we will write 4000. And here 0 is in which place? Student, it is in 100 place, that's why we have written 20. So again you can ask me a question, that's why we have written 20, because beta, if you will write 100, if you will write 100, then how many 0 in 100? You will find 20 in 100. That is why we have written 20, because 0 is in 100 place, that's why we have written 20, because in 100 you will find 20. And if we talk about 5 is in which place? Tens place, that's why we have written 50. And 4 is in which place? Ones place, that's why we have written 4. Though now you will calculate the following numbers: 4000, 0, 50 and 4, then you will find 4054. So if you will find the same number that we have expanded, then it means that you have done correct. So there is no mistake in your answer. So one more example: 4001. So 4 is in which place? 1000 place. And 0 is in which place? 100 place. Now here is a new change, that you will know tens. Here again 0 is in which place? Tens place. So we will know that there are two zeros in this number, 4001. So 1 0 is in which place? 100 place. And the second 0 is in which place? Tens place. And 1 is in which place? Ones place. So in this way we can expand the number. So let us calculate, so that we can know whether we have expanded the particular number correct or not. So 4000. So 4 is in which place? 1000 place. So that's why we have written 4000. Now 0 is in which place? 100 place, that's why we have written 20. Why? Because in 100, if we write 100, there is how many 0? 20. So that's why we have written 20. Again 0 is in which place? Tens place. So we have written 10. So you can ask me like, why we have written 10 over here? Because 0 is situated in tens place, that's why we have written 10. If you write 10, then how many 0 in 10? You will find that there is only 10. That's why 0 we have written 10 over here. 1 is on ones place, so we can write. So again you will add the following numbers: 4000, 0, 0 and 1. So 4001, then you will find the same number that we have expanded. In this way we can expand the number. Basically you can put, if we have put 2010, so there will be no change in answer. So we have written 20 over here or 10 over here because of our understanding, so that we can understand, we can know the basic concept of behind this. That's why. So another example, 8001. So if we talk about 8000, so 8 is in which place? As we all know, 1000 place. And 0 is in which place? 100 place. And this 0 is in which place? Tens place. And 1 is in which place? Ones place. So let us calculate the number. So let so 8 is in which place? 1000 place, that's why we have written 8000 over here. And 0, again 0 is in which place? 0 is in which place? 100 place, that's why we have written 20. And 0, again 0 is in which place? Tens place, that's why we have written 10. And 1 is, we all know, is in which place? Ones place. So we will add the following number: 8000, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Then we will find the same number that we have expanded. This is another example, 9707. So 9 is situated in which place? 9 is situated in 1000 place. And 7 is in which place? 100 place. And 0 is in which place? Tens place. And 7, again 7 is in which place? Ones place. So let us calculate the number. So because 9 is in 1000 place, that's why we have written 9000. And 7 is written in which place? 100 place, that's why we have written 700. And if we talk about 0, this 0 is written in which place? Tens place, that's why we have written only 0. why we have written only 10? ठीक है, we can write 20. Why we don't write 20 over here? Because if we write 20, it will be wrong. Why? Because 0 is in tens place. That's why we have to write only 10. Because if we see 10, there is only 10 in 10. That's why we have written 10. So if you write 20 over here, it will be wrong. Because 0 is situated in tens place, that's why we have written 10, and it will be right. And 7 is in ones place, so we have written 7. So again you will add the following numbers: 9700, 0 and 7. So the same number you will find that we have expanded. So 9707, and here 9707. So basically this is the way to check your answer, so that you can know whether you have expand a particular number right or wrong. So this is the way how can we check the numbers. So this is another example. So 798. Then you will say, what is the value of 0? We all know that if 0 is over here, there is no value of 0. That's why we will say only 798. So for our understanding, because we are expanding, what we are doing here, we are expanding the numbers. That's why we have to write the place value of 0. Otherwise we don't write. If normally we say that we don't need to write, because if we are expanding the numbers, because every numbers has its value, that's why we have to write every number. So 0 is in which place? 0 is in thousand place. So again 7, if we talk about 7 is in which place? 7 is in hundred place. And 9 is in tens place. And if we talk about 8 is in ones place. So in this way we have expanded this number. So because we are expanding, again I'm telling you, because we are expanding the numbers, that's why we have to write every numbers of its value. Like 0 is in thousand place, that's we have write. So again let us calculate. So 0, because 0 is in 100,000 place, that's why we have written 30. Again you can ask me a question that, sir, why there is 30? Because if you write 1000, then how many 0 in 1000? You will say 30. That's why we have written 30. Because 0 is in 1000 place, that's why we have written 30. And 7 is in which place? 100 place, that's why we have written 700. And if we talk about 9 is in which place? 9 is in tens place, that's why we have written 90. And if we talk about 8 is written in which place? Ones place, that's why we have written only 8. So again add the following numbers: 0, 0, 0, 798. Again then you will find the same number that we have expanded. So 798. So this is homework for you all. So you will write all the question in your maths copy. So basically how you will solve all this question as I have solved in this video, you will solve in the same way. So if we talk about 4, this number, then how can you expand this number? This number is 4587. So write the, first of all you all will write the place value of every number. So 4000 is in which place? 1000 place. So write 4000 place. So 5 is in place? 100 place. 8 is in which place? Tens place. And 7 is in which place? Ones place. And then you will calculate the number, because so that you can know whether you have written correct answer or not. So that's why you will solve all this question in the same way that I have solved in this question. Again I am repeating to you. So that's why you can solve in that way. So these are question and these are some more question. So you will solve and you will write all that question in your mathematics copy. So thank you for watching this video.